Well, we're just cleaning the boat. Trying to sell, but the dock is full of halibut boats out here. Can't get in there. I'm waiting. I am waiting. Let's see if we can show you something here. Look. Sharpening the hook. Let's hold it like this. We're gonna make a cutting tip. This. And go with this part of the stone here. And it'll leave an angle one way this way, one way this way. See it? It's like a cutting point. So all you do is just lay it like that, lay it like this, underneath on the short side. See that? Real easy, real sharp. Isn't that right, Wilson? Isn't that right? Isn't that right? That's how we sharpen the hook. Oh, very good. Good, Duke. Oh, very good. Oh, you've been good. Just, oh, good. We're waiting for the cannery, Wilson. They are gonna buy the fish, but we need to wait. Could show you the same method with the file. Here. Look. I don't know what angle that is. Just about like that. And then switch to the other side. And then underneath. And we get a heck of a nice point on her. You see that? By the way, this is the lure that was working yesterday. It's about like that. Suppose I could have put the hook, I like it a little bit further back, but that's okay. And that is this one. North Pacific WOG2P. I call it the vanilla. It's got a little color, some sparkles, and it's glow. Pretty simple. There you go, guys. Just trying to kill time. Got our salmon. I don't know how many we got, but it's a good number. Good number, that's how many. More than 10. More than 10, less than 20. Yeah. Wet down here. Hey. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, and 15. That's it, Daddy! Ha-ha! That's it! Let's climb, 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 you guys. We'll climb the ladder. Climb, climb. Gotta make a jump. Oh! Up, up, up. Daddy, give me a smile. Hey! Hey! Good. It's lunchtime, Wilson. Did you know that it's lunchtime? You're gonna have one scoop. You'd have one handful. You want some dog food? Oh, you want it? You do. Oh, you did get it. Oh, good. You like that? Oh, good. That's dog bowl. Good dog, Wilson. That's it. That's all you get. There is no more. No more. No, you don't get any more. You want one more kibble, Wilson? You could have a single kibble. Whoa, look out, don't bite me.